Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams for a meeting. Okay, so in just a few steps, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is we have to visit the Teams website or the Microsoft Teams website, and it will take you to their dashboard. So as you can see on my screen, okay, so what we're gonna do guys is you might wanted to sign in your account or just have to start a meeting for free. But what we're gonna do guys is we have to log in our account, or if you don't still have an account you need to create an account. So for me, I already have an account and I already signed in on this website. So as you can see guys on my screen, so there's a lot of option here. So we have here a chat option. We also have a meet option. So here, and also we have these community, calendar, and activity. So these options guys, it can be used guys to have a, if you want is to have a meeting with the teams that you have. Here's guys, you can just have to create a meeting link, and also the communities you can create your own, and also the calendar guys. So if if you wanted to set a schedule, a specific date, you can also create that one. And the activity, it will summarize the overall activity that you created. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.